The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a tornado warning for west central Pecos County in southwest Texas, north central Brewster County in southwest Texas, extreme east central Jeff Davis County in southwest Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Hovey, or 29 miles northeast of Alpine, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Local law enforcement is monitoring this storm for tornado development. Baseball-size hail is possible with this storm. The tornado will affect the following locations: western Pecos County. Precautionary/preparedness actions: a tornado may form at any time. Take cover now. Abandon mobile homes and vehicles for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. Evacuate mobile homes and seek safety in a sturdy reinforced building or an underground shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head. This concludes the severe weather alert issued by the National Weather Service.